Hi, second grade. Welcome to week 4, day 3, YouTube directions. Today, for your independent reading activity, I'm going to have you, once again, with whatever book you are reading, can be a chapter book, can be a picture book, can be a book you have already read, it doesn't matter. I want you to pick a book, write your name, the date, what the book title is, tell me who the author is, who your favorite character is, who your least favorite character was. The main source of conflict, that means what was the problem in the story. So the problem in the story is what? You're going to do this in a complete sentence, please. 6 words or more. Periods, capitalization at the beginning. Your favorite quote, so maybe something favorite that you said. If you don't have anything favorite, then that's fine. You can just say nothing. And then, why did you like this book? I like this book because, and you tell me. And then I want you to draw a picture of what you think a scene in that book would look like. If it was a chapter book, it may not have pictures, so you have to just imagine what you think. And if it was a picture book, maybe you can draw a picture that was similar from when the book had. For reading, kind reminders, letter to my future self. I also want you to do this. Say how many years old you are. What are 3 things you're good at? Draw those 3 things. And then tell what you love to do. Remember to always be yourself, and to what? What do you want to tell yourself in the future? And then with love, just write your name right here. First name and last name. Family pride, I'm going to let you cross that out. I am not going to have you do that page today. That is one page you do not have to do. And then on grammar, you're going to do a plural ending sort. So you have nouns down here, okay? And you have to decide if when you adding an S, do you drop the Y and add an I and then do IES and then add ES, or do you keep the Y and just add S? Here are the rules. Okay, when a noun has a consonant before the Y, so you look at this word activity, look at the letter before the Y, it is a T. That is a consonant. Okay, if there's a consonant before the Y, you change the Y, drop the Y, and add an I, and then change the Y to an I and add ES. Okay, that's kind of how we say it. They said it a little differently up here. Okay, and then when the noun ends in a vowel plus a Y, so like here on birthday, the letter before Y is A, that's a vowel, you do not have to change the Y to an I, you just simply get to add S. So, because they already did birthday for you, and they already did activity for you, you do not have to do those ones again. But you need to look at these other words, look at the Y, what letters before it. Are you going to just add S and put it down here? Are you going to have to change the Y to an I and put it here? So you'll put the real word in this first line and then change it with either adding S or changing it IES on this second line. Okay, that's grammar. And then last is math. And these are fractions, which we have not done yet. If you go into your math pages and you do some of those, you will find that there are fractions in there. I'm going to kind of help you with the first one to kind of show you what this is asking. Okay, a fraction is a part of a whole. The top number of the fraction is called the numerator. It represents the parts. The bottom number, the denominator, represents all the parts of the whole, okay? So you're going to color the parts of the shape that represents each fraction. So if you can look at this shape, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 4 parts, okay? 4 parts. They want you to color 3 out of those 4 parts. Okay, so you take your highlighting tool, there we go, click on it, and color in 3 out of the 4 parts. Okay, Same goes with this next one. I can help you with this one too. There are 1, 2, 3 parts, so that's why this is the bottom number. They want you to color 1 out of the 3 parts. So I'm just going to color just that side. Might have to be erased a little bit if I go over. Okay, that is how they want you to do that. All right, thank you. That is week 4, day 3 directions. If you have any questions, please let me know.